Hello, summer. Here they come. They're running towards you. And now, what are you guys going to do? Well, we're going to give you some ideas. Let's go. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians. Hey, we are here for your May 27th, 28th, and 29th Local Love Report. So let's get going with your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday fun. Kids are going to be getting out of school soon, and it is time to start planning out your weekends together. So let's get going and find all the great fun this week. All right, guys, let's go to Friday. 11 a.m. Contemporary Expressions, prints from Flying Horse Editions, 1996 to 2021 at Manello Museum of American Art. $5 will get you into this amazing art exhibit going on until May 30th, so don't miss it. 2 p.m. Pump Boys and Dinettes at Winter Park Playhouse, $20 and up, going on now until June 12th. 5 p.m. Skyline Orlando Festival at Orlando Amphitheater at the Central Florida Fairgrounds. Music festival with Adam Bayer and Fiza Letiago, Anna, A-Vision, Ben Bomer, Bob Moses, Carlita, Chanel Trey, and so many more. $109.95 and up to come out and enjoy this epic festival. All right, guys, 6 p.m. on Friday, Carnival on the Runway at Desertland Park, Orlando. Guys, if you haven't been out to Desertland, there's so much going on in this amazing place. It is the old Festival Bay Mall or the old Artagon, whichever era you were in, out on International Drive. So make sure you come out for this amazing experience. 7 p.m. Corsets and Cuties, iconic at Stardust Lounge. $15 to come on out and check out this amazing burlesque review and enjoy a great day of watching amazing people do what they do best. 7:45 p.m. RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars viewing party at Southern Nights Orlando. Come on out and watch them work that runway. 8 p.m. Cirque du Soleil Drawn to Life at Walt Disney World's Disney's Yacht Club Resort. And that is going to be going on until December 31st. Make sure you make time to get out and catch this amazing new life of Cirque du Soleil. 8 p.m. on Friday, Plaque Blag, Sazizix, Pressure Kitten, and more playing at Will's Pub. All right, guys, get out to that Mills 50 and enjoy an amazing night out with these great drafts and even more amazing craft cocktails going on at Will's Pub. $15 will get you into this great local music. 9 p.m. The Calm Before the Storm Acoustic Showcase at West End Trading Company. All right, guys, get out to Sanford, enjoy a great day. So much music, and it's an amazing bar as well. And last but not least, for your Friday, 10:30 p.m., Fringe Festival DK Fully Clothed at Fringe Festival Pink Venue. $10 to $15 will get you into this amazing production. All right, guys, we're going to get into the heat of the weekend. Let's go into Saturday. All right, Saturday, 8:30 a.m., Bloody Jug Band at Fringe Festival's outdoor stage in Lock Haven Park. This free show is going to present you with so many amazing options and free music, both local and from abroad. So make sure you stop in and check out poetry, music, and even some other stage productions. So make sure you check it out. It is in the free area. You will love it. 9 a.m. Think Better, Live Better 2022 at Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. 10 a.m. on Saturday, Set Sail Summer Reading Kickoff Event at Winter Park Library and Event Center. This free event is a great opportunity to kick off your summer reading and enjoy more time with your library. 11 a.m. Trauma to Triumphs, Perceptions of the Human Body at Rollins Museum of Art. This free exhibit's going on right now. Make sure you don't miss it. Come on out and learn a little bit more about our human selves. 12 p.m. 15th Annual Hurricane Party at West End Trading Company. $25, 6 stages, 40 plus bands, Less Than Jake, Pacifier, the Agrolites, the Supervillains, etc. It's outdoor bars, food trucks, and vendors. This will be an epic experience. Call it the eye of the storm, maybe. But get out there and enjoy. 12 p.m. on Saturday, Drag Me to Brunch at the local bar and grill in College Park. 3 p.m. Orlando by Night, Cam Anarch Vampire LARP game at the Geek Easy. If you've always wanted to do a little role playing, a little LARPing, come on out to the Geek Easy. Check out this great vampire version of that and enjoy a fun night with like-minded people in the geekiest place in town. 4 p.m. on Saturday, 407 Flea Market at Aku Aku Tiki. Come on out to this free market, find all the great stuff you've been looking for, maybe get your next gift for Father's Day or whatever you might need. Come on out and give it a look. 8 p.m. Fringe Festival, Ladies of the 80s at Orlando Fringe Gold Venue. $12 will get you in, and it is going to be going on until May 29th. Guys, something important about all of these Fringe events, you will also need to purchase your pin. If you've never fringed before, keep that in mind that you need a pin, plus you pay the admission to get in. So check it out and get your pin today. And last but not least, on Saturday, 9 p.m., Fringe Festival Food Court at Fringe Festival Brown Venue. $15 to get into this remarkable show. Come on out and support theater in our community. All right, guys, for those of you that are looking for more, we got it. Don't you worry. You stay tuned right here to see even more great events on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. So make sure you check that out every single day. We do put a new event post and pin it to the top of our feed. So make sure you check it out whenever you're a little bored or looking for something fun to do. We want to make sure that you've always got a list of things going on. So check it out. There'll be even more events besides what we're telling you about here on that list. And we're excited to share them with you guys. So let us know what you think once you check out the list and share it with your friends so that you guys can all get out there and enjoy a little fun. All right, so let's take it into a calmer time. A little Sunday action. Yeah. 11:15 a.m. Blue Lala Entertainment presents Varieties on the Move at the Abbey. $15 and you can get into this dancing dream and enjoy a beautiful day. 12 p.m. Peanut Butter Matinee Family Film My Girl at Enzian Theater. Come on out and enjoy this coming-of-age story. Lots of ups and downs, but amazing. So make sure you check out Macaulay Culkin when he was just a little guy. 12 p.m. Milk Market 6th anniversary birthday bash at the Milk District, East Robinson Street and North Bumby Avenue here in Orlando, and it's free. Come on out to the mart and check out what they've got for you. 1:30 p.m. Fringe Festival. The Princess Strikes Back. One woman search for the space cowboy of her dreams at Fringe Festival's Blue Venue. And it's going on until May 29th, so don't miss it. Fringe will be ending before you know it, so make sure you come out, enjoy a great show, and support theater from here and all over the world. And it's going on until May 29th, so we will see you there. 2 p.m. in the Heights at Theater Weston, $25 to $39 to come into this amazing theater show. 5 p.m. Fringe Festival, The Family Crow, a murder mystery at Fringe Festival Brown Venue. $15 will get you into this funny, punny show. Come on out and enjoy a little time around amazing people. 7 p.m. Punk Goes Disney at Will's Pub. $7 and up, and you can come out for your punk dreams. Come on out and see what's happening. 7 p.m. Fringe Festival, The Mockingbird News at Fringe Festival Green Venue. $12 will get you into this amazing show. 8:30 p.m. Fringe Festival, The Spider Queen at Fringe Festival's Green Venue. This also is going on until May 29th. Guys, this is the last time you can get out and really enjoy the weekend at the Fringe. So come on out, enjoy some of their amazing food, as well as the best people watching experience ever, and local music, as well as people from all over the world. So make sure you check it out. All right, guys, and last but not least, 10 p.m. for your Sunday night, Lisbona Sisters, Caleb Dent, Dre Mendez, Ed Alexander at Elixir, Orlando. And this is a free show, so come on out and support local music. Well, guys, that's our part to give you a little heads up on the weekend. But again, go over to our Local Love Orlando Facebook page to get even more great events. Thank you guys so much for your support. Make sure you check out some of our other videos. Here's where you can find us on our other platforms. Follow us on TikTok as well. Peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.